Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to KLL, knit through left loop. The KLL is a right leaning increase and the most invisible increase I know for stockinette stitch and similar flat patterns. Unlike the make one right or the knit front back, it doesn't create an eyelet or a visible ridge. So for me, it really is the perfect knitting increase that should be much more popular. So let's show you how to knit KLL. Here's how to knit through left loop. The name KLL is a bit misleading. It should actually be knit through the left loop of the stitch 2 rows below the one you just knitted through the back loop. But I guess this is a bit awkward, so everyone just calls it KLL. First you have to knit one stitch. And now you have to insert your left needle into the left loop of the stitch 2 rows below the one you just knitted. 1, 2. This left loop here, we need to pick it up with the left needle like this. You can also do this with the right needle like this and slip it over if this is easier for you. Sometimes if a yarn is very fuzzy, this can be easier, but I always do it with the left needle because it's a bit more efficient. And now you have to knit this through the back loop like this. And here's your first KLL. Let's do it one more time. We knit one stitch and then we insert the left needle into the left loop of the stitch 2 rows below the one we just knitted. Oof. 1, 2. There we go. And then you knit it through the back loop. One more time. We pick up the left loop of the stitch 2 rows below like this and we knit it, see, through the back loop. And that's it. Once you practice this a couple of times, I'm very sure this will become your favorite increase ever. And it's not all that complicated, and like I said, I think it should be so much more popular, as I feel it's much better than make one right and make one left. There's also a corresponding KRL, knit through right loop, where you pick up the right loop of the next stitch and knit that to increase. But I usually don't use it because it's quite a bit more visible and I really like KLL. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to comment if you agree or disagree if this KLL is the best knitting increase. And of course, consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more from me. Happy knitting!